Is your transmission slamming into gears so hard it feels like you just got rear-ended while driving down the highway? If you hook up your scanner and see the diagnostic trouble code P2720, your car is warning you about a low-voltage condition in the transmission pressure control solenoid decontrol circuit. This is a generic code that applies to many vehicles on the road today, including popular models from Ford, Chevy, and Honda. Your automatic transmission is a complex piece of machinery that relies on hydraulic fluid pressure to move internal clutches and bands that allow the vehicle to change gears. The pressure control solenoids act as the gatekeepers for this fluid, and the powertrain control module is the primary computer that tells them exactly when to open and close. When the signal for solenoid D is consistently too low, the system cannot regulate that pressure correctly, which leads to gear shifts that are either way too soft or dangerously harsh. You will likely notice your gas mileage taking a major dive, and your check engine lights staying bright on the dashboard. In some cases, the transmission might even overheat, or the car will put itself into a restricted limp mode to prevent further damage. The most common causes for this issue include a defective solenoid, contaminated transmission fluid that has lost its viscosity, or a restricted transmission filter that is blocking the flow. Sometimes the problem is as simple as a corroded connector, or damaged wiring that has been frayed by road debris. To fix this, you should start by checking your transmission fluid level and its color. If the fluid looks like dark chocolate or smells burnt, it is definitely time for a change. You should also look for any technical service bulletins for your specific make and model because manufacturers often release specific fixes for these electronic issues. Use a digital volt-ohm meter to check for continuity in the wiring harness. If you find no resistance, the wiring is likely fine, but any sign of a short means you need a repair. You should head to a professional mechanic immediately if the car starts banging into gear consistently, because ignoring this can lead to permanent internal damage that costs thousands of dollars to repair. Keeping your fluid clean and your electrical connections tight is the best way to ensure your ride stays smooth for many miles to come.